You're here with Elisha. Thanks for joining me. Rest is essential for our bodies. You need it to live. Studies have shown that having a short nap during the day can improve concentration, rejuvenate the body, brighten your mood, and protect the body from illness. I'm here to help you fall asleep into that nap right now. Find yourself a comfortable position and allow your body to release and relax. Imagine your body growing heavier and heavier, sinking more deeply into the surface you're on. Gravity holds your body safely so that you can let go and trust that the ground beneath you will remain steady and strong. You are safe. You are held. I want you to imagine now that the surface you're on transforms into a fluffy white cloud. And slowly, as if by magic, it begins to lift and float. Your body feels light, weightless. You are safe. You are held. As you float, allow your breath to come and go easily, without trying to control it. On the exhales, start to count backwards from 10. Inhale. 10. Inhale. 9. Keep going until you get to 1. Now bring back that fluffy white cloud. This time it's hovering above you. This cloud is relaxation incarnate. As it makes contact with your body, you feel completely at peace. Total relaxation. The cloud travels from the crown of your head, down your neck, your arms, through your torso, down your legs, right to the tips of your toes. Your body is now in a state of complete calm and tranquility. As this calm takes over, you find your conscious mind falling into a slow, easy sleep. Further, further, and further. Your body is more and more relaxed. your mind is more and more relaxed. You are safe. You are held.